And I'm Java.
We noticed that our mom has a secret for us.
That's right.
And she has a package. I hope it's for us.
You can see it inside it when there's toys.
There's something heavy inside it, guys. Yeah. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll just get the scissors. I am back. Okay, guys, we almost opened it, but it's not a big one. Is it? These are all of the toys that are inside the package.
Yeah.
And
This is 2x2 and this is 4x4.
and this is 3x3 and 5x5. Rubix. And this is the magnetic stand and all of the materials that we need.
Yeah,
So
more
put
of
it
it.
back at the box.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna play this small one.
I'll open it. That's it for now. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, ring a bell, watch some more videos. Bye!